I hope you're prepared for the first tropical storm Debby for 2024. It looks pretty calm now, but in a couple of hours, they are expecting torrential rains and excessive flooding here in Myrtle Beach. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and Governor McMaster just issued a state of emergency for South Carolina. There's gonna be tropical storm Debby heading our way. Let's go take a drive. Okay, so today we're gonna start this drive on 16th Avenue North, right here in Myrtle Beach. I know a lot of you have plans and vacation plans to come down this week. And if you do and you find yourself stuck in a hotel, we have several videos that can keep you busy and having fun.
So even though the rain's coming in, things are still operating in the rain.
That's right.
So the Funplex is twirling around. You can see the sky wheel in the distance.
People are still out walking. And you know, the storms can pop up just as quick as they can go away, can't they, B-Boxy?
Because we were going to do a drive down with a nice, beautiful, sunny day, but the rain crept in on us before we could get out. Or this is part of the tropical storm Debby, you said.
And it's really supposed to come in with heavy rains on Tuesday.
Did you want to read what, so sky wheel, look. So people are still out having fun. But according to the weather report, you said it was supposed to be, what's the percent chances?
It's supposed to be about 60 to 90% chance of rain every day this week.
So for the vacationers, they may not have beautiful sunny days.
That's okay, though. There's some days that the sun will poke its head through. And this Ripley's golf.
Crazy golf.
That's right. That's fun. We have a film that's what to do on a rainy day.
The 3 indoor golf courses, putt-putt courses, or miniature golf, if it's raining.
That's right.
But this wasn't open when we did that, so that's an extra one there.
Then you can always go to all the happy hours. That would be fun. And try out all the new restaurants, Crazy Mason, Mean Mugs.
And if you got children, you can go to that bounce around, or whatever. What is it called?
Trampoline.
It's a bounce something. Bounce around. And that has tons and tons of trampolines inside of it.
And you can spend all day in the gay dolphin sometimes. I'm paying over there while people are walking across the street. Oh, that got stuck. Look at that pizza kitchen.
So a while ago, it was really coming down, but now I don't see an umbrella around.
But I'm glad to see people are still out because it's not cold rain, it's still hot. It's about 88 degrees.
There's your Ripley's, believe it or not. And right in front of us is where the pavilion once sat, to the left. And then your amusement park of the pavilion was over here in the right field. And it looks like they changed that statue or whatever was over there again. See it?
Oh yeah, it's a woman now. And the flags are half-staff.
Yeah, they were not yesterday, so something has changed. So, like she said, Governor McMaster has issued a state of emergency, so the rains are going to be coming in a lot of places in Myrtle Beach will and can be flooded.
Remember, Myrtle Beach is like an island, so it does hold water. And there's always turn around, don't drown. So
Right.
be careful. Stay safe.
And for anyone going to the south end, like Garden City, that tends to flood a lot quicker than the rest of them. So if that's your destination, Garden City, just be aware of the rains coming in.
They're working on that. You know, there's a lot of...
There's
a grant?
a grant or proposal for $46 million or something to try to alleviate some of that standing water in Garden City. So hopefully they can get to that soon.
But you know what? Anytime there's rain, I'd rather be down in Myrtle Beach any day, even if it is raining.
On the Grand Strand?
That's right.
Yeah, anywhere on the Grand Strand?
Anywhere on the Grand Strand. You don't mind the rain as much.
So right here is Homewood Suites. That's a pretty nice place by Hilton. And Bayview on the Boardwalk right beside them. It's pretty nice.
And the folks down here don't seem to mind that the tropical storm's coming in, or...
You can see how windy it is.
It is pretty windy. So I'm sure, you know, some of that's going to start rolling in, especially like tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. It sure will. And it looked like it was low tide a while ago, wasn't it?
Yes. But the surf has been rough the whole entire weekend. Wouldn't you say? The red flags were out there flying.
Right. It was choppy.
Lifeguards were out there in places that normally they are not.
God, never noticed that.
Wayfair?
No, that standalone little building there. So that's the Coral Sands. It's kind of condemned. Still boarded up. The Windsurfer. And there's the popular Wicked Tuna on the 2nd Avenue Pier. We love that place.
Don't forget, they have a happy hour. That's a wonderful place to go and just chill with the bands and entertainment and different things like that.
Great views, too.
Yes. So if it's raining, it's still a great view through the rain.
Yeah. Better to be there in the rain than not there at all.
Yes.
Up here is Ocean's 1. It's a pretty nice hotel. Kind of a skyrise. A lot of people like to stay there. And right up here is the Family Kingdom.
Oh, yeah, that's fun. I think we're going to try to get to that this weekend.
Yeah, we got our niece coming in, so hopefully we can get to the Family Kingdom and get a little video.
Summer went by so fast, so a lot of folks are coming down here and trying to get their last summer break before the kids start back to school. And I mean, it seems like yesterday that they were just getting out, you know?
I know, flew by.
But for empty nesters like ourselves, summer's just begun, really.
That's right. And so, yeah, I see the ride still going in the rain, so it hadn't slowed down.
Oh.
You know?
Yeah. Oh, that's just kids screaming.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, having fun in the park.
They sure are. Ooh, I can smell them corn dogs, too. That's right.
You can what? Smell what?
The corn dogs. Now I'm hungry.
Guarantee you.
I can't wait to get down to Cherokee. What's the name of that little corn dog place?
Oh, Fanny Farkles?
Yes.
That's not Cherokee, that's Gatlinburg.
Gatlinburg, yes.
Look, there's one of our worst motels right there.
Yes, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. And if there's anything that y'all like to see, please comment below, because we try to film everything that you request.
We've tried to.
And all brand new restaurants and everything. I know there's a couple of them that we'll be bringing to you soon. A couple of seafood places. I think we've really shown y'all a lot of seafood places. And like we said, we've started eating some sushi and fish ourselves that we hadn't been normally doing. So thanks for that.
And we're trying not to do so many buffets. Of course, that's what everyone likes, is the all-you-can-eat crab legs. But We're trying to stay away from buffets, and
I think you are going to try to do Krabby Mike's.
I might, yeah, do that
when our son comes down.
He
loves buffets.
And we just passed the Loco Geckos. It's a pretty little nice place to eat right here on the boulevard. We got a video on that one.
And for those of you that don't want to walk in the rain, there is a tour. What is that? Tito's tour bus up here that will take you from place to place.
Mm-hmm.
So we saw it the other day, maybe. We do need to get on that one day and kind of fill you out with what that is all about. I'm surprised we haven't ever got on that before.
I
but
know.
We do have a designated driver every time we go out that he takes us everywhere. Thank you, Mike, very much. Make sure we're all
safe.
Yes. Yes, keeps us safe. He doesn't drink, so he puts up with all of us and makes sure that we all have a good time and get home safe.
And right here is the landmark, the overpass. It's the only overpass on the boulevard. And the landmark just installed last summer a $3 million water park just for their guests.
Yes, that place is always packed.
It is.
They do very good business.
There's Fat Man's Dream Lounge. Never been there.
We'll have to check it out.
That's right.
It's just so much to do, even living down here or vacationing. You know, you just can't get it all in.
You can't.
And then you get your favorite restaurants and you want to go to them all the time.
You could probably eat at a different restaurant every day until the day you died and never get them all.
That's true.
From, all along the Grand Strand, everywhere from North Myrtle Beach to Myrtle's Inlet. And we love everywhere from North Myrtle Beach to Myrtle's Inlet.
Yes. There's just, wish we could be in all three places at one time.
I know. So somebody needs to put a speed shuttles that go
underground
3,000 miles an hour so we can get somewhere in
That'd be great.
5 seconds. There's the Grand Beach Resort. So that's been
nice.
renamed. That was out of business at one time. Now there's the Paradise, and that never comes up on like one of the best hotels around here, but it seems like it should.
It does.
It looks really, really nice.
Maybe we can do a video on that one day with our pics and kind of go in and show them like the lobbies and the pools and different things.
It looks like it's actually stopped raining.
Families are just out and about.
So there is the Compass Cove.
They're staying busy with all the laundry. Look at that.
The Residence Inn is coming up.
I think that would be another one on our list that
I know. It's
told you about. Yeah.
by Marriott. It's never made it, but it looks like it should.
That's right. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do happen to come down here this week and you see us out, make sure you shout. Brian and I do have to travel during the week. We manage property. So we have to travel anywhere from, like some of you said, Waysboro, which is a very small town, to Columbia, Charleston, and sometimes even up in North Carolina.
Yeah, that's Waysboro.
Well, Little River.
Oh.
Yeah.
Little
So
River.
we do have property up there in Little River. So if you ever see us out, and that was awesome that he shouted, he saw me out in Waysboro. The management team that I work for, absolutely, all the managers love that. That was pretty cool.
All right. So we hope you found this video informative. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. Keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
That's right. And we'll see you in the next video.